My name's Rosie Hopkins and I'm in BBC Radio Wales department.
So, enw fi yw Ella Hallett, a dyn ni'n gweithio fel apprentice ar gyfer Radio Cymru.
My name is Alex Tamuta. I am a level 3 production apprentice in Radio Wales.
I think one of the biggest things is confidence. I feel like I've always been quite a confident person, but in terms of the actual job and the role, I feel like I've been given a lot more trust within what I'm doing, which makes me feel more confident and make me feel like I can actually do things without having to maybe double check things first. So I do enjoy that because it feels like I'm more a part of the team and not just being a little bit annoying, constantly having to ask if I'm doing things right.
Un o'r sgiliau newydd nes I dysgu yn eitha diweddar oedd sgiliau camera. So ni wedi mynd ar cwrs a kind of dysgu sut I defnyddio'r cameras, sut I set o lan, sut I defnyddio'r sign. So mae hwnna'n rhywbeth fi wedi dysgu sy'n hollol newydd ac ni ddim yn gwybod dim byd am so mae hwnna'n definitely skill newydd.
I have developed my time management skills in terms of handing in work a little earlier, getting to know the deadlines and being able to meet those deadlines a little bit easier.
The second skill that I think I've probably learned and taken on is the audio training and the camera training that we did, which I found really useful, and it's probably been more useful than I actually thought. I just really want to be able to put it into practice and actually use it for part of my job.
A hefyd, just sut I fatha mae sgiliau cyfathrebu fi di mynd yn lot well hefyd, so sut I siarad o pobl mewn like sense, like mewn gwaith dros e-bost, stuff fel like mewn ffordd proffesiynol.
And I've developed my IT skills in terms of being more efficient when using like computers, laptops and things like that, and being able to aid people when they need sort of more IT.
My favourite day on the apprenticeship so far has to be the audio training, only because we got to split into 2 teams and we all got assigned a role, and mine was being a presenter, which is something I would love to do. So I really enjoyed it, and we got to do our own little pretend radio show. We got to like plan it from the start and then actually do it live in the studio while the other team listened. So that was probably my favourite part, and then we also got the recordings back so we could listen back to it as well. That was really cool.
Oedd probs hoff diwrnod fi mor hyd ar hyn wedi bod o'n i wedi gwneud sesiwn gyda Gorwelion, BBC Gorwelion, oedd hwnna'n really fun, o'n i wedi gallu mynd mewn a gweld yr holl bands yn chwarae'n fyw, a maen nhw wedi dechrau ryddhau'r sesiynau nawr, so mae'n eitha cool gallu bod nhw'n ôl, so yeah, mae hwnna wedi bod yn really fun.
My favourite day so far is the day I got to meet Scott Mills when he came to present his show from Cardiff because he was in pantomime in Swansea, and there was a chance for me just passing in the corridor just to meet them, so I had a little chat with them, had a little selfie as well, which was quite nice, and yeah, that was a really good day.